exploring the word shaky, more than just trembling. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the word shaky. This is a fascinating word with multiple applications in English. Let's uncover its meanings and how to use it in sentences. Shaky, at its most basic level, describes something that is not stable or firm. Imagine holding a tray filled with glasses of water and your hands are trembling. The tray is not steady, right? It's shaky. Example, after the earthquake, the building was shaky and unsafe to enter. However, shaky doesn't only describe physical instability. It can be used metaphorically to talk about situations, feelings, or even relationships. 1. Uncertain situations or feelings. If someone says they're feeling shaky about a decision, it means they're unsure or lack confidence about it. Example, 2. I'm a bit shaky about my upcoming presentation. I hope it goes well. 3. Weak foundations. Sometimes, you might hear that an argument or explanation is shaky. This means that its basis or foundation is weak, and it might not hold up to scrutiny. Example, 4. His alibi for that night seems shaky. I don't think the police will believe him. 5. Health or physical state. If someone looks shaky, they might appear weak, sick, or unsteady. This can be due to a variety of reasons, such as illness, exhaustion, or nervousness. Example, 6. After running the marathon, her legs were so shaky she could barely stand. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the essence of the word even better. Here are a few synonyms for shaky: unsteady, wobbly, trembling, flimsy, when referring to a weak basis or foundation; uncertain, in the context of unsure feelings or situations. And there you have it. Shaky is a versatile word in English, describing everything from trembling hands to uncertain feelings. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the term and how to use it confidently in different scenarios. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.